I think Toshiba will not happy if they see what I'm doing now. Yes, you can see here is a Toshiba toner. We use it in our office photocopy machine, but we're trying to refill it from pouch pack, but we can do it different way. The first method, we can refill it by this hole, but this hole is small and it will take a lot of time to refill. The second method is we have to open this cap somehow and we will find a bigger window for refilling the toner. So let's see if I can open this thing. You can see some broken piece in here. We tried to do this, but we failed. And today I will try to do this with some proper tools. Let's see if I can open it with my prying tool. If you can do this, it will save our money. It looks like it promised somehow that it will not open, but I will open. I don't know how. No, it's so hard. I use some thinner and try to open it with these tools and it refused me. So now I will use my hot air gun and try to open it again. Let's see what we can do. And now I will try to open it with my screwdriver tester, and I think it's opening now. Yes. I think it works. But I have to. Okay. It's coming. Yes. Now it's open. Okay. Finally I can open this thing and we will refill our toner through this cap. So finally I open this, and in my opening process and the edge of this thing is damaged. The cap is damaged too. And now what I'm going to do, and now I will repair this damaged part. Let's see how we can do this. Now we need this file and we'll try to clean it with our file. We can do it another way. Have this thing, this rotary thing, rechargeable, and we can use it to print. It looks better now. But still, here is something broken piece. Clean them with this file. Now the broken edges are smooth, better than previous, and I cleaned it too. Nice. It's fit perfectly in here. And our toner is ready to refill. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and comment and subscribe my channel. It helps.